there, folks. We got a wonderful display cabinet here. Unfortunately, the lights ain't working in it. So I found this one on Amazon. Supposed to have 3 LED discs. Supposed to be dimmable to 10 different settings. I have to get up in here first, disconnect the old one, and install this new one. Alright, stand by. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, and as you can see, I had to remove the old light fixture here and take that one out. I'm going to have to end up stringing a new one here through it. And I'll be mounting that light fixture inside of the old one here, like this. And I'll be putting that back down inside like that. I'll show you that once I get it done. Alright, just to show you what I did, I removed the light fixture and I dropped all 3 of the LED light fixtures down through here. I'm going to put this back in. I'll show you what I'm going to do down inside. Okay, as you can see in here, I got the 3 wires coming down. I'm going to mount one of these over here, a third of the way. One's going to mount to that center fixture, and the other one's going to mount over there. I'll have all 3 of them. When I get that done, I'll get back to you. Hold on. Alrighty, folks. Got them mounted up there, a little sticky tape. Got the center one there, and the end one there. You're not going to see the lights at all. But up here on the top, you see where I sent the wires down through the fixture, screwed it back down, modified the fixture to hold LEDs, got them all plugged in here together, and got the switch ran down over there. I guess I can put those on the wires again after. Bundle them up nice and neat. And I already got it over here plugged in. So let me clean up my mess. I'll show you what it looks like. Already got it run down over there. I'm plugged in behind the door. Alright, stand by. Alrighty, just a quick peek at the cabinet with the light on. I'm going to go get the remote, see if I can dim it a little bit. Pretty nice, even with the light on in the room. The display cabinet still lights up nice. It's supposed to be a daylight type of light. So I finally got the daylight in it. It looks good. I like it. I'm going to go remove this cabinet right there, that little bin in that one, to see if it throws more light down the bottom there. I'll be back. I took the stuff off the glass shelves and it really does throw the light all the way down through the cabinet. That's kind of nice. I like it. Close these up, see how it looks. Nice. Let me get the remote. Right, this is the full brightness, I believe. Let me turn it down a little bit. I don't know if it's working. Don't know what mode it's in. Guess I should read the instructions. I'll be back. Well, that was it, folks. Reason why this isn't working, because I didn't install the LED controller. So let's do that over here. Shouldn't be too hard. Unplug the light. Plug in this controller. Plug in that controller. Let me see if it works now. Hold on. Alrighty, folks, so I got the light on and it's on 100% now, and I can dim it down. There's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 brightnesses. I can do 50% or 25%. I like this remote. I go full light, 100%. Right down to 25%. I like it. All right, let's see what it looks like with the light off. Alrighty, folks. Let me turn my flash off. Got the living room light off. Just the cabinet light on right now. Oh, my flash is still on. Hold on. Oops, I was set to auto. Alright, the only thing that's on now is the cabinet lights. I can turn them down 90%, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, and 10%. Makes a nice night light. Go back to 25%, 50%, and 100%. I like the things being off the shelf. I like the light go all the way down through all the shelves and lights up all the displays. So you too folks can install one of these. Not too hard. You got your 3 LED lights inside. Run the wires up through the top, plug everything in, and then run the wire down, plug it in the wall. I like it. Now I got some light in my cabinet. I got a night light. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Catch you on the next one. Alright, just one more look at the cabinet. 100%, 50%, 25%. I like the remote. Makes it kind of nice. Or you can go down to 90. Oops, my bad. 90, that's 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 10, 120, 10. And that's the low as it goes. 10, 25, 50, 100. I like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. It's a do-it-yourself lighting kit for a display cabinet. Came out well. Sweet. What a difference a little light can make. Awesome. Alright. Catch you guys later. folks. You know what time it is? That's right, it's time to get set up for this week's show. Today is Monday, March 1st. I'm going to be setting up for a Saturday, March 6th, 2021 show. You guys will see this video on March 5th, Friday, for my premiere video. So hi to everybody in the chat. Thank you for tuning in. Great to see you. But yeah, all these coins and these rolls will be up for tomorrow, Saturday, March 6th. So hey, these are what rolls are going to be on the board. Let's see if we can find an ender. That would be awesome. Let's see what we got here. Good luck, guys. I hope we can find something for you. That would be awesome. Right offhand, I'm not seeing anything. But hey, doesn't mean nothing around the bottom. Let's get to looking. Here we go. Not seeing anything yet. Always fun to look though. Never know if you're going to find a silver, a painted, a plated, a proof, a hold, a foreign, a funky. You just never know. That's what's so fun about coin roll hunting. That's a good way to learn about coins. I learned all the American coins from the present all the way back to when they started in 1793 and even earlier with the states and the colonist coins. Very, very cool. Even the ones over in England that they brought with them. Before America had coins, they used British coins for currency. So it's a great way to learn history. Start coin collecting or start metal detecting. That's how I found out. By digging up all these old coins and finding out what they were. My first year metal detecting, I was fortunate enough to dig up an old British coin. It was a 1700 King William III. They only made them from 1695 to 1701, and I think he died in 1702. That was King William III. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. That was an awesome find. But hey, it's a good way to learn about coins. I'm not seeing anything yet. Still looking. Not seeing anything for enders anyways, but that's only 2 coins out of the 20 in the roll. You never know what's in those 18 coins in between the 2 enders, you know. Well, that's what we hope for. Find some silver or any of those other ones I mentioned so I can send them out to you guys. I saved them for the first year, and then I ended up giving them away in my giveaways, so now I just do it for you guys and mail them directly to you. I don't do NIFCs just because there's so many of them. It would cost me a fortune to mail them out, so unfortunately I can't do those. But the silvers are worth it for you guys to start your silver collection, silver stacking, coin collecting, whatever it may be. Just to see, nice to see other people get interested in the hobby. Alright, that's it. 3 rolls left, and I'm not seeing anything for enders. Like I said, it doesn't mean there's nothing in between them, so tune in tomorrow night. We'll find out. We got 15 rolls sold, I think, already. We got 35 left up for grabs. That's Monday right now, March 1st. I'll see what happens by the end of the week. Alright, we'll see you guys then. Take care.